Connect the power and air source. Push the switch to right. Notice the pad side should be face to bottom. Then we start winding label. Measure this height. The following position label to plate should be in same distance. Several heights should be in same level line to make sure label stable. Otherwise, the label may move left and right. Then close the lid. This hand will control for labeling head move up and down. Clockwise rotation is upward, counterclockwise rotation is downward. This hand will control labeling head move left and right. Press Start button to open machine, waiting temperature be same, then click Start on screen to paste. Firstly, click Label Preparing Station until label ready. The label should be level with the bottom plate. You can move the sensor to adjust the label ready position. If label over the plate, move sensor up, otherwise move it down. Then click label preparing station until it in place. If pasting result to left, decrease the delay time. If result to right, increase the delay time. This mode is to paste the back longer side, should be work first. Loosen the screws. Handle the mold carefully, avoid collisions, and ensure that the surface is flat, smooth, clean, and free of debris, bumps, or dents. You can wipe it with alcohol and dry it before install. Put the mold on the base. This side with black sponge should face to your front side. Install 4 screws in diagonal order. Use this part to help keep the mold parallel, then lock it diagonally. Then put a plate to adjust the labeling roller press height. This is very important, it affects the accuracy too. If you press too low, the product will burst. If you press too high, the pad will not be pressed down to plate, or the label will fall out or shift, etc. Switch to manual model. Go to parameter page. Click conveyor motor加. Loosen this screw. rotate it clockwise to lift it up to avoid direct contact with the product. Go to Manual page, click Press Down Cylinder. Slowly rotate counterclockwise to lower the height until the roller gently fits the product. Be careful not too low to press on the product when adjusting to avoid damage. Then tighten the screws. Check if there is light between the roller and the product to make sure there is no gap. Click Press Down Cylinder again to lift it back. Now we start setting the parameter. First, pasting 5 PCS. Check if mode is parallel. Set 5 PCS on number of labeling. Back to main screen. Switch to Auto Model. Click Start. Check if the pad bottom side is at the same level. Now it is slightly tilted to the right. According the tilt direction, loosen 3 screws. You need to move mode. Slightly adjust the mode. Then tighten the screws and try again. Repeating labeling check, adjust until the pad end is on level. Tighten the screws every time you adjust the mode. Now the pad bottom in same line, but pad still little tilted. Then check stripper plate. It can be clearly seen that there is more space this side than that side. Use a ruler to measure those distance to label. Now there is 18.5 and here 23. Obviously the label moved causing the difference. Adjust it to make all same, as before mentioned. The stripping plate tilted is one reason of the label moved. To verify it, adjust the mode to plate. Click Manual Conveyor Motor加 Take out all products gently. Use a ruler to measure. The distance between the mold and the plate should be the same on both sides to avoid pasting position deviation. Now this side 24 and this 24.5. Loosen screws and do fine-tune until two lengths is same. Then back to main screen, initialize machine, put products and retest. The ceramic plates can be repeated use when commissioning, but be sure to remove all pad material and clean to avoid affect accuracy. Click Label Preparation Station once, and you can use a ruler to catch the output label. Do not let the label go to the back. Do not press on it with your hands. Start again now the pasting result is good. Then the adjustments are finished. During production, please notice if the labels enough on the plate comparing with products, and is there lack on sensing area. Stripping plate empty label will cause less pasting. You can directly take out finished, put new products, then pasting again. Or go to manual page, click label preparing station to run empty label until label ready. Sensor area has empty label, it will cause stack pasting. Solution: go to manual page, click label preparing station until empty label pass through the sensor. Every time you move the label, need to check and keep the distance be same, align to layer.